Are you a responsible gun owner?
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 Are you a responsible gun owner? The PNP Civil Security Group would like to advise all firearms holders to renew their license to own and possess firearms and firearms registration within 6 months before its expiry date. Tumawag na at makipag-ugnayan.
Be a responsible gun owner and be a good Filipino citizen.
Huwag maging biktima ng expired mong lisensya.
Prove that once before. Naman ko AC ako, 60 kami or more than 60 sa class. And ayun na ikwento. Pero alam niyo na kung ano, that the Top Gun, yun. Yung kabataan ko pa, yung kapitan pa ako. And pamamang yun nga, na-amaze ako kasi sabi ko,
so, sino po kaya sa tingin nyo ang nag-top third, second, and first?
Sosokolo yung nanalo.
So, we will now announce the third place, Sir Ma'am. Third place for the tactical shooting, firearms proficiency, refreshers training.
Man, ready? 1, 2, 3, holster. Then, eyes and ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, holster. Thank you, ma'am. Very good. Gitna man ng karton, ma'am. Gitna ng karton, ma'am. Good.